Welcome to this guided meditation for a body scan. In this practice, we will develop a greater awareness of our physical sensations, release tension, and promote relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into your body and bring your attention to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts or worries and allow yourself to gently fall into the present moment. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress that you may be carrying within you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at peace. Take a couple more deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly and gently. Now shift your focus to your physical body. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations or feelings that arise in this area. Without judgment, simply observe what you notice. Allow your attention to gently travel down to your forehead, releasing any tension or tightness that you may be holding. Continue to scan your body, moving down to your eyes and cheeks, softening any areas of tension that you may encounter. Feel the muscles around your mouth and jaw relax as you let go of any stress or clenching. Give yourself permission to let go. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders, two areas that often hold a lot of tension. As you breathe in, imagine the breath flowing into these areas, soothing and releasing any tightness. As you exhale, feel the tension melt away, allowing your shoulders to drop and your neck to become supple and free. Shift your focus to your chest and heart center. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Feel the soothing rhythm of your breath, calming your heart and bringing a sense of serenity. Allow any emotions or sensations in this area to be present, acknowledging them with compassion and acceptance. bring your awareness to your arms and hands. Notice any sensations that arise as you pay attention to these areas. Perhaps you feel warmth, tingling, or a sense of relaxation. Observe without attachment, allowing your awareness to flow through your fingertips and palms. Guide your attention to your abdomen and lower back. Feel the gentle expansion and contraction with each breath. Allow any tightness or discomfort in this area to soften and release. Embrace the sensation of deep relaxation and groundedness. Shift your focus to your hips and pelvis. Notice any sensations or feelings as you bring your attention to this area. Let go of any tension, allowing your hips to settle and release any holding. Direct your awareness to your thighs, knees, calves, and feet. Observe any sensations, feelings, or areas of tension in each region. Allow your breath to wash over these areas, providing a sense of soothing relaxation. Take a moment to bring your attention to your entire body as a whole. Feel the unity and connection of each part. Notice how your body feels now compared to when you began this practice. Bask in the sense of calmness and tranquility that has permeated your being. As we near the end of this meditation, gently bring your attention back to your physical body. Feel the support of the surface beneath you and slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, returning to the space around you. Take a moment to carry the awareness and presence you cultivated during this practice with you throughout the rest of your day. Remember that you can always return to this place of groundedness and self-connection by simply scanning your body and bringing your attention back to the present moment. May you continue to nurture a deep and harmonious relationship with your body, allowing it to guide you towards inner peace and well-being.